Okay, so today I'm gonna give some speech about waste. So there are actually in the United States we have the lowest recycling rate of all the developed nations. It's plateauing at 34% recycling rate. Look at the waste here. It has tires. The April waste on the top of plastic bag and PET bottles. I think this is one of the big problem here. No one actually wants to be responsible for all the waste that we are creating. We are responsible, all of us here to responsible for the mess. Our solution is we have to make the trash sexy, and this is what National Geographic is so good about. Okay, so the reason I'm saying that it's because the highest performance animal in the ocean, which is shark, it's the fastest in the sea, that optimized for speed, and it's just the pure physical from its no waste, which is zero waste. Everything is considered, everything is designed, but this is why we can. Every chain of rice, every weight, every bread that you eat has 20% waste. Variable waste, every PET bottle, all of those are perfectly non-toxic material that we can constantly be recycled, reused. And then we have a crown e-waste, electronic waste. Hug amount of it, it has precious material, it has a lot of toxic element. Let me get near a little bit here, okay? So, why we are not turning that into product today? If you touch your clothes, there are no recycled content in it. There the seat you're sitting on, the environment that we're in has the no recycled content in it. This is the problem. Why? Why not? The reason is because the polymer chain is broken, the recycling process. Then how do you make it strong again? So we are actually drawn to pretty things. So how do you make it sexy again? We have to use fiber to bridge into between. And this is we go back to the history. The Romans built Khmer aqueduct, Chinese built wall, all with agriculture waste grinded down into these power forms. They mix into the chemical. What it doesn't eat, it has silicon dioxide in it. Almost for silicon dioxide, it's a natural glue. It's actually forming this broken polymer chain. If it mix into it, it actually start from come together, collaborates into much stronger material. The accident doesn't eat. Why are we doing that today? So, the one of the solution how we reinforce material using organic waste. So why are we doing this? Toxic. This is a pieces of leather and the piece of the recycled PET fabric on the side. Just look at how many steps they are required to produce and process the piece of leather fabric versus a piece of recycled PET waste. Every step requires a carbon footprint, energy, chemicals. On the recycled PET side, you only use water, heat, and leaf to cut the piece down. Why are we doing this more? We even 7 new materials a month. We have collection around 750 new materials that coming from our daily post-customer waste. But the problem is no one wants to buy them, okay? So we have to pioneer making up new application. So I show you very quickly what we did. This is what we call molecular cooking. Molecular cooking, it's all leaf. Molecular gastronomy at the marketing for new pioneering, engineering and designing and making fun. It can into any customer's product at low cost, high performance. We have built 40-story tower with trash, campus, 9-story building tall, museum, and we just finished the Prax e-waste recycling plant where we turn the waste of the waste into the bulk structure. We work on food waste recycling plant in Taiwan, and we are also doing the car waste recycling plant and finish this year. This looks like pieces of marble. It's not. It's right here. It's a piece of recycled PET non-woven. It's a chemical aided head presses structural materials and also an air purifier. Okay, but from cigarette waste, which is tobacco, which I smoke, not me, which is most of smoke for many years, or it can be format shaped into of different formats we turn into this millennial. This pavilion is actually inspired by natural rock molecule, and it's actually capturing formality in the air of integrate with electronic. It's all interlocked single materials, no glue. And I want to focus on the waste of cigarette butts product process, which are those chairs. We actually turn into this furniture product using the cigarette butt. So the product called anything but, okay. And this process allow other design global to do even more different type of furniture product. Please look at this, how sexy it is, because this is a leftover of the typical Germany beer festival. Look at the all materials that's out there. There's a possibility here, and we turn that all the cap, e-waste, food waste, recycling next shoes into recycle next store. In New York, you can go and see. In Paris, Le Marissa, you can go see. In the Milan, in the London, you can see all these stores. They are made from apparel waste and e-waste and any type of waste. So we sell across 23 countries to take portable manufacturing machinery into developed world, because we want to keep the trash into the developed world into ship to India, China, Taiwan and anywhere else. Okay, that's it. Thank you.